There you go. Yeah, you got to bump it a little up that hill.
That's a good line. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay. Straighten up. Come to me. Right there.
Hey, Dad.
Come on.
You want to bring him up over there, don't you?
I'm going to have his drive. Okay, straight. Straight. Perfect. Perfect. There you go. Come on up. Got that rock up right here. Back up. You got a big rock right in front of you. You want to get your tower on this rock. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back.
Stop. Stop, Dad. It's right on the back.
No. He's going to drop off the back. Hold it. Passenger. Passenger hard.
He's on his rear diff. Rear diff. He's on his rear diff.
You don't want that hole. Nope. You got to go up on that rock. Go, driver. Turn so you. No, other way. I'm sorry, passenger. There you go. Yeah, back it up. Don't go too high on this rock, though. Now straight. There you go, right there.
Yeah.
Now go back.
You're high standards.
Go back. You got to get your back tire.